Welcome to my channel. This is Heather with Party Favor Printables, where we take your party to the next level. Today I'll be showing you how to apply your Capri Sun label. The supplies needed are your printed labels, your Capri Sun, and scissors. I always apply my labels to the back of the Capri Sun. That way you can still have the straw on the front and the kids can see what flavor they're choosing. Now for the labels, they print 4 per page, and we're just going to cut the white excess trim off of the side of the label. Each label is 4 inches by 5 inches, so you can use 4-up labels, shipping labels, or even full sheet labels. After trimming the excess white from your label, you're going to peel it back and place it on the back of the Capri Sun. Now this part is a little tricky. You have to do it slowly so that you can minimize the amount of creases on the label. I like to attach the top of the label first, and then I like to work my way down one side at a time. Make sure to work kind of slow and smooth out any creases that may come as you're pushing down the label. Now if you plan on putting these Capri Suns in an ice chest, I would suggest purchasing the waterproof shipping labels. The labels we use are fine to be refrigerated or to sit out on a treat table. I'll stick a link in the description below of the type of labels we prefer. That's it! Your Capri Sun is complete. These are sure to add a special little touch to your next party. Check out my Etsy shop for more Party Favor printable designs, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you found this helpful.